Following my yesterday's attempt at reconnecting with nature at Kew Gardens, today I decided to have some time, a moment of silence within the woods. Birds singing in the distance, leaves falling onto the soft ground of their relatives. Parakeets dancing around on the wind. I'm recording now because there is a chance it'll start raining in like 20-30 minutes. So if it starts raining, I am prepared. Big umbrella is not with me, but this one should do. And I shall rest on this comfy bench whilst it's raining and just take the whole atmosphere in. That's a bit romantic if you ask me. That's why I'm doing it by myself, because romance like that should be experienced between me and nature. No one should come in between that. Sometimes even I forget how much better things would go without the inclusion of anyone else. And yet, of course, there's many moments where I am thankful and glad that I do have someone beside me. But not right now. Like yesterday, I got to spend some time in gardens with my friends. Got a chance to reconnect, got a chance to catch up. And today, it's all for me. It's all for me. Should I show you the thing? Well, I can hear the rain start dripping. Oh, rougher. Hey. Can you see the leaves falling in the distance? It's quite magical, really. I connect with fallen leaves more than falling snow. Because the leaves indicate the trees shedding their weight. Leaves are the life indication of the tree, and during this transitional period of autumn, they shed, they drop them, they let them be, so they can grow a new, healthier set after winter. They know that the leaves won't do much during winter, so they let go. They let go from the unwanted weight, something that will take much energy for them to upkeep and keep there and alive. So they just let go. They prepare themselves by letting go. Fallen leaves are a sign of death. They're a sign of end. But it just shows that the end is only a matter for a new beginning to start soon enough. I don't know, man. I just really like autumn. I hear sounds, I hear animals. I want to see them too. I want to have deer running around in the distance. I want to have foxes coming out of their dens. I want to have fucking owls soaring above and hooting. I'm hearing something. Is that a squirrel getting angry? Sounded like a rodent. Yeah, I shall have my 25-minute silence in here instead of staring out into the river. Can't say much has been done today. What a pity. What a pity. What a pity. ask me a question? Why don't you ask me a question? I did bring a little notebook for me to write on. This is a funky one that I got from an exhibition. Is there anything interesting that I've written on it? I do it because I suck at it. That's quite the line. I came up with it. What do you think? I decided that I will state my main lessons that I will try to upkeep for my age of 25. There's some life lessons, sort of. So far I've written 4. There's more that came up into my mind, but I forgot to write them. Okay. One of them would be to be the person that others can trust, and to not give them any doubt about that. Another one is I am able to experience the things I imagine if I take charge in creating them. That's sort of a way of saying that it is within my power to experience the good I aim and strive towards. Understand how to be actively present. Identify my identity. Embody my mind. I don't actually have much to say today. I guess I've done it in the wrong way around. I guess I'll cut this up. Yeah.